Welcome to Oura, your personalized health guide. Your Oura Sizing Kit will help you pick an optimal ring size that ensures maximum accuracy and comfort day and night. For optimal performance and accuracy, avoid choosing a finger with a large knuckle. We recommend wearing your Oura Ring on your index finger. But if you prefer another finger, your middle or ring fingers are the next best. Next, confirm your ring is in the correct orientation. The sensor bumps inside the ring should be on the palm side of your finger. Your Oura Ring should fit tightly and securely around the base of your finger, but not to the point where it's uncomfortable. Make sure you have the right size by making a fist while wearing your ring sizer. If you see a gap between the top of your finger and the inside of the ring, try a smaller size. As you twist and test the fit, your skin should move along with your ring. Your fingers expand and contract during the day based on your environment, so we recommend wearing your ring sizer throughout the day for at least 24 hours to confirm the best possible fit for accuracy. Your ring shouldn't rotate easily around your finger as you go about your daily activities or while you sleep. Don't forget to share your sizing kit with friends and family so they too can enjoy the benefits of Oura.